If you're over 60 and you walk every day, but your knees start throbbing the moment your head hits the pillow, this might surprise you. You manage through the day. You stay active. But at night, when everything goes quiet, the throbbing begins. It might be a dull ache deep in the joint, or a sharp sting behind the kneecap. Let me speak to you honestly for a moment. That nagging knee pain at night in bed. That's not just aging. And it's not because you overworked yourself during the day. Most seniors are told to just take a pill and go to sleep. But there is a natural way to interrupt the pain signal before you try to sleep. Today, we aren't talking about medications. We are talking about a specific way to use natural oils, and more importantly, how to apply them to calm the nerves around your knee so you can finally rest. Welcome back to Next Chapter Health. Here's the key point most people never hear. Nighttime knee pain often happens because your body's natural anti-inflammatory hormones, like cortisol, drop while you sleep. Without that natural protection, the inflammation from the day flares up. Whether you are dealing with osteoarthritis, lingering knee replacement pain at night, or just general wear and tear, the result is the same: broken sleep and stiffness the next morning. Today, we are going to look at 3 specific natural oils backed by research that can help stop knee pain at night. But, and this is crucial, simply rubbing them on and walking away won't work. Research suggests it is the combination of the right oil and a specific massage technique that creates the relief. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix knee pain at home using this method. We'll cover the safety measures you need to know, especially if you have sensitive skin, and the exact protocol to follow tonight. Why does it always seem worse at 2 a.m.? During the day, your brain is distracted. You're moving, talking, watching TV. Your nervous system is processing thousands of signals. But at night, in the dark, those distractions vanish. The brain has nothing to focus on except the strongest signal coming from your body. And often, that signal is pain at the back of the knee or under the kneecap. In fact, adults over 60 can lose substantial sleep quality specifically due to this unattended pain signals. This is where our natural remedy comes in. We aren't just trying to grease the joint. We are trying to stimulate the sensory nerves on the skin to close the pain gate in the spinal cord. When you apply these specific oils with the technique I'm about to show you, you replace the throbbing pain signal with a soothing, warming, or cooling sensation. You are essentially telling your nervous system to pay attention to the relief, not the ache. And that matters. Because if you can lower the volume of the pain just enough to fall asleep, your body can do the repair work it needs to do. Now here's the good news. You do not need expensive, hard-to-find ingredients. The 3 most effective oils for this are likely at your local health store. First is lavender essential oil. You might think lavender is just for smelling pleasant, but studies on knee osteoarthritis have shown that massaging lavender oil into the joint can significantly reduce pain severity. It works doubly hard, it acts locally on the pain receptors, and the scent calms the central nervous system to help you sleep. Second is ginger essential oil. If your knee pain feels cold or stiff, ginger is powerful. It creates a warming sensation that increases blood flow to the area. This is particularly helpful if you suffer from stiffness or pain at the back of the knee where muscles tighten up. Research comparing ginger oil massage to regular massage showed the ginger group had superior pain relief and improved function. Third is peppermint essential oil. This contains menthol. If your knee feels hot, swollen, or inflamed, common with kneecap pain at night, peppermint acts like a liquid ice pack without the stiffness that ice can sometimes cause. However, you must never use these straight out of the bottle. Let me say this clearly, essential oils are potent. Putting them directly on senior skin can cause irritation. Many people forget this area. Gently massage the back of the knee using broad strokes. Do not dig your fingers in here, there are sensitive nerves and blood vessels. Just gentle, rhythmic strokes to encourage relaxation. This process does more than deliver the oil. It stimulates blood flow, reduces the tension in the thigh muscles pulling on the knee, and psychologically prepares you for sleep. You are training your body to trust itself again. You are telling your knee that it is safe to relax. Even at 60. Even at 70. Even beyond. You can find relief. Consistency is key. Try this for a week. Tell me in the comments, how old are you and does standing from a chair feel harder lately? We read and reply to every comment. Like the video so other seniors can find this relief. Subscribe for surgeon-guided senior health videos. And at the end of the screen, watch the next video recommended for you. It covers the best exercise for knee pain at home that you can do right from your bed. I'll see you in that one.